Every baker in the country gets nervous when ingredient prices go up and everyone sees your prices increasing and they think, oh, she's just trying to get money, whereas in reality it's because everything is getting more expensive. My name is Alice Kelly. I'm a bakery business owner and I have 1.4 million followers on TikTok.
Hello, welcome to the bakery. Here are things people have said to me as a baker. Here are some random food facts you definitely didn't know.
Well, I started baking when I was 3. Really, when I was doing my Leaving Cert, I decided I wanted to do it as a job. Well, obviously, as like a 17-year-old, you can't really afford to rent a place, let alone, get a deposit or anything. So I decided to make a food truck on my 18th birthday. And I was like, I'll buy a dilapidated horse box and I'll try and renovate it. From there, I started doing kind of private events. The dream is definitely to open a storefront. It's absolutely terrifying, especially, everything costs money. Property prices are so expensive. Every little penny that I earn is going into a savings account to afford a bakery when I'm a little bit older and a little bit more ready. With the budget around the corner, it would be so appreciated by every small business that we have some sort of way of tackling the inflation of ingredients. I know so many people, and you look at their Instagram and their last post was 2 years ago, and it's like, oh, they've given up because of costs. Things like butter and chocolate have almost doubled in price over the past few years. It's making such an impact. Find the joy of giving people baked goods to outweigh the kind of negative thoughts and the costs. It's definitely always something I have to think about.